बढ़िया है भैया। हिंदुस्तान टाइम्स स्टाइल अवार्ड है, पता चलेगा कौन कौन है जिसमें स्टाइल है ना। थिएटर वाला हो, फिल्म वाला हो, डायरेक्टर हो, सिंगर। देश की जनता के लिए भैया खुश रहना, खुश ही रहना, खुश रहने में भी स्टाइल है, स्टाइल से खुश रहना। बॉलीवुड का यार, बॉलीवुड का मुझे ऐसा लगता है आजकल का नया देखना चाहिए, इरफान खान। खूब खेलो होली, लेकिन किसी पे यार वो फुग्गे मत मारना है, बाकी खुद खेलो, दूसरे को ऑयल पेंट मत लगाओ। किस वैसे ही सब लोग जैसे फूल वूल में डाल देते हैं, पूरा रंग से भर जाएंगे, नाचेंगे। फिलहाल प्रोजेक्ट हाँ कर रहे हैं, अभी खुद की फिल्म बना।
Pretty much excited. Style Awards is something different, and I think it's very much needed in our country. So it's pretty excited.
आपके हिसाब से बॉलीवुड में सबसे स्टाइलिश एक्टर और एक्ट्रेस कौन से हैं?
मुझे लगता है अमित जी का तो लेवल ही अलग है, तो सबसे स्टाइलिश एक्टर ऑफ कोर्स वो है.
And actress?
There are many, of course.
And you had a dream of being a hidden director. You wanted to be a director.
No, that's not true. No, that's not true. Thank you.
Excited for the evening tonight?
Whoa, excited and nervous at the same time because I've been nominated. I don't know how that happened. So yeah, both excited and nervous.
तो बॉलीवुड में सबको सबसे ज़्यादा फैशनेबल और स्टाइलिश कौन लगता है? वन एक्टर एंड वन एक्ट्रेस?
I think the ever eternal style icon for me when it comes to actresses will be Sushmita Sen. I think nobody can come even close to her. And Mr. Bachchan, you can't get close to him. So, yeah, thanks.
बोलना अब तो शाम को देख के ही बताएंगे अभी कैसे कहते हैं भाई है? जी किसको संदेश देना बहुत बड़े लोगों का काम है. देश की जनता बहुत समझदार है और लोग समझते हैं कि उसे वो बेवकूफ़ बना सकते हैं, वो बनती नहीं है. युवाओं से तो मैं संदेश लेना चाहता हूँ भाई, उन्हें क्या संदेश देना। आई एम ऑलरेडी वेरी लेट। हाँ, well, I wish a very, very happy, colorful Holi to everybody. It's really, I mean, we say when we want to praise something, we say he is a very colorful person or she is a very colorful person, those were colorful days. But it is never more true than about Holi. Holi is really colorful. So, very happy Holi to everyone.
Yes, very. Undoubtedly Sonam Kapoor. I think she's a style icon and I think she's revolutionized the entire scenario of fashion in our country. Actor, can you imagine? I haven't really thought of. I really like Hugh Jackman and Ryan Gosling, but mine Salman Khan, I think, is my all-time favorite. Gee, I want to wish everyone a very, very happy Holi. Please save water, play with eco-friendly dry colors, and that's about it. Happy Holi. Thank you.
सर मैं तो ये कहना चाहूँगा कि हमारे यहाँ, मैं तो होशंगाबाद से हूँ, हमारे यहाँ लोग बोलते थे कि यार बहुत स्टाइल मारता है मानव जो है वो स्टाइल मारता है, और आज स्टाइल मारने का ही हमको अवार्ड के लिए नॉमिनेट किया। आई एम फीलिंग वेरी गुड, वेरी एक्साइटेड। मैं कहता हूँ सबसे बड़ा बेहतरीन रंगों का त्यौहार है, मेरा फेवरेट त्यौहार है। खूब रंग खेलिए, प्लीज़ बी सेफ। खूबसूरत त्यौहार है, रंग उड़ाइए, ऐश कीजिए। सर जयगंगा जी के बाद बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग प्रोजेक्ट्स हैं, अभी मैं चुप रहना चाहूँगा जल्दी पता लगेगा आपको। मेरी एक फिल्म आ रही है दोबारा, जो विजय नॉम्बियर ने डायरेक्ट की है। इट्स अ लव स्टोरी एंड आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड अबाउट दैट। थैंक यू सो मच।
बहुत ही जनरल क्वेश्चन है, आप थोड़ा सा स्पेसिफिक क्वेश्चन पूछिए। आज की शाम के बारे में बताइए, क्या बोलूं? अगर बात करें थोड़े ओल्डर जनरेशन की, तो मिस्टर बच्चन इज़ डेफिनेटली द मोस्ट स्टाइलिश एक्टर। यंगर जनरेशन में आई लाइक रणवीर सिंह, आई थिंक ही इज़ वेरी स्टाइलिश, एंड कंगना इज़ वेरी स्टाइलिश। सारे दर्शकों को होली की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं. प्लीज़ बी सेफ एंड एंजॉय योर सेल्फ. थैंक यू. Am I supposed to talk? What do you think about you, please ask?
I'm very excited because style has become a very integral part of the film industry and the television industry. So I'm very excited to be here. I think India mein, I think Sonam's just pushed all the boundaries. So I absolutely give it to her for being the style diva of our country. मैं सारे दर्शकों को होली की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं देना चाहती हूँ. विशिंग ऑल द व्यूअर्स अ वेरी सेफ एंड अ हैप्पी होली. प्लीज़ डोंट वेस्ट वाटर. मैंने जो आउटफिट पहना है वो जैकेट डिज़ाइन की है सोनाक्षी राज ने. सो आई एम वेरी हैप्पी टू बी हियर एंड आई एम थैंकफुल टू हर फॉर डिज़ाइनिंग माई ब्रेसलेट. थैंक यू. क्या? I'm excited. I like the HD Awards a lot. I've come here before, and yeah, it's gonna be fun. Who are the most stylish? I don't know. There are a lot of stylish people. I think Kangana is very stylish. I think Neha Dhupia is very stylish. I think Ranveer Singh is outrageously stylish. I think Ranbir is understatedly stylish. Happy Holi, everybody. I hope you have a very safe and beautiful Holi and get very colored and stay happy and stay peaceful.
Batman vs Superman is releasing next week. So which is your favorite superhero?
Batman. Batman is coolest. Just because, I don't know why. I just have always, I think it's because there's also the Joker, and the Joker is so awesome. I think the Batman series is amazing. Huh? I'm releasing, we're coming out with a film called Waiting on the 29th of April. It's me and Nasiruddin Shah. It's a drama about people waiting in hospital rooms. So that's coming out at the end of April, and I just finished shooting Konkana's first film, Death in the Gunj. Thank you.
Are we doing the bag? Yeah, sure. Please come.
Hi, hello.
I'm excited for the event.
Oh, very excited. It's all about style and fashion, and I personally really enjoyed it. So yeah, definitely. Ji has to be Sonam Kapoor. I think she is fantastic. I adore the way she dresses, and of course Ranveer. He's just crazy. Like, he can wear anything and look amazing.
She speaks better than me.
Yeah, he's just saying this. Come on.
अरे क्या कहूँगा, अच्छी बात है. आई थिंक अनफॉर्चुनेटली मैं वैसा नहीं करता, बट आई थिंक वन शुड कैरी योर सेल्फ वेरी वेल, वन शुड ड्रेस अप वेल, because I think the first impression anybody gets is the one when you look at a person. That's the whole idea. So yes, and being any profession, to be dressed up is a nice thing. तुम क्या बाकी लोगों से पिटवाना चाहते हो? I think अमिताभ बच्चन is it. Happy Holi, enjoy sir. Please वो खराब वाले कलर मत यूज करना. मैं जब पॉलिटिशियन बनूंगा तब दूंगा.
Arshad, Batman versus Superman next week. Who are you rooting for and why?
Batman versus Superman. I'll tell you something. I love both of them. It's like Superman when I was a big kid, and the moment I realized the dark side of life, I started liking Batman. So I love both of them. It's gonna be a tough fight. I think I'll win. I'll fight them.
सर आपके मुन्ना भाई भी आ रहे हैं स्वराज तो कुछ कहना चाहेंगे?
नहीं.
अच्छा आपको सबसे स्टाइलिश एक्टर और एक्ट्रेस कौन सा है?
एक्टर मैं और एक्ट्रेस बिपाशा बासु. थैंक यू जी. Holy plans is not to make too much mess and conserve water and be civil. Thank you. Thank you.
Well, it's a very exciting evening, and I'm really excited to be here, to meet all my friends, and to be a part of the show. Actor में Mr. अमिताभ बच्चन और एक्चुअली रणवीर सिंह, सोनम कपूर. Well, आप सबको होली की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं. A very very happy Holi to everybody, and thank you.
First to hear the newlyweds. Just back from our honeymoon. But it's fantastic to be here at the Hindustan Times Most Stylish Awards, because Hindustan Times itself is a very stylish paper, and I think their choice of stylish people will be excellent, and I'm delighted and grateful to be invited by them and to be here with my new wife Parveen after 10 years of togetherness. So bless you all and bless us. Thank you.
सबसे स्टाइलिश
बॉलीवुड के स्टाइलिश एक्टर्स और एक्ट्रेसेस, ये अभी फैसला होगा, अभी देखेंगे.
नहीं बट फेवरेट है, हमारा एक फेवरेट है. हमको रणवीर सिंह बड़ा अच्छा लगता है. He's very irreverent, we like his style.
रणवीर सिंह की बात कर रहे हैं. रणवीर सिंह is very stylish, very irreverent. We like that.
Yeah, we like his style.
Imran Khan is pretty hot too.
Imran Khan's a great dresser, yeah.
होली बस जश्न मनाइए, सब कुछ भूल जाइए, बस होली में भूल जाइए, रंग पे रंग फैलाइए, मजे करिए. God bless.
Excited for the evening, sir.
Very excited. मैं पता नहीं कोई संदेश दे सकता हूँ कि नहीं, उस काबिल उस लायक हूँ कि नहीं, बट style I think is different from fashion. I think people should understand the difference between style and fashion.
Batman versus Superman next week. Who are you rooting for and why?
I somehow like Batman more now.
आपको बॉलीवुड में सबसे फैशनेबल एक्टर और एक्ट्रेस कौन सा है?
जैकी श्रॉफ. एक्ट्रेस बहुत है यार. देयर आर टू मेनी स्टाइलिश एक्ट्रेसेस. I think Smita Patil was very stylish. आज मैं कहना चाहूँगा कि बसंत की बहुत बहुत बधाइयाँ सबको, सारे देशवासियों को, और होली मेरा फेवरेट फेस्टिवल है. Enjoy it as much as I will. Thank you. जी.
वेरी एक्साइटेड है. स्टाइल अवार्ड्स है तो ये एक मौका मिलता है कि सब लोग अपने बेस्ट ड्रेसेस पहन के आते हैं, तो यू सी एवरीवन ड्रेस्ड अप रियली वेल, सो बहुत एक्साइटेड।
But if you get an opportunity to choose one out of the one, it would be stylish and second would be fashionable. What would you personally prefer?
स्टाइलिश और
Fashionable.
वैसे दोनों में ज़्यादा फ़र्क नहीं है, बिकॉज इफ यू स्टाइलिश यू फैशनेबल, इफ यू फैशनेबल यू इवन स्टाइलिश, तो दे बोथ सॉर्ट ऑफ गो हैंड इन हैंड।
And sir, what Bollywood actor and actress you find very stylish or fashionable in Bollywood?
Actor, I find Abhishek very stylish. Actress, I would think Deepika is very stylish. Katrina is very stylish. Parinita is very stylish. अभी तो फिलहाल मेरे हाथ में बिल्कुल कुछ नहीं है, खाली है। डन? थैंक यू।
Excuse me.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Huh? Yes, very excited. Style Awards. It's I'm not always comfortable with style-related stuff. It's an acquired talent of mine. So I just hope that it goes well. I hope that whatever I've learned in the last 1 year, 2 years is kind of acknowledged and appreciated now.
So much of it now.
Yes.
More confident saying that I'm carrying whatever is comfortable for you.
It's definitely better, but like I've said, I'm still a work in progress. I'm still working on myself. So once I'm absolutely 100% confident in my body, I think that's the day I can say yes to that.
How was Dubai?
Dubai was amazing. I've gone back and forth twice to Dubai this week. But a lot of fun. I hosted the show, so it was very hectic but very fulfilling, and just got to meet the industry. And that's the thing about these awards, you get to sit together, party together, enjoy your life together, so it's always fun.
Finally, Batman vs Superman next week.
Oh yeah?
What are you looking for and why?
I didn't even know it was releasing next week, I have to say, but I think I'm going to be working. I've started prep on Meri Pyari Bindu now, so like everything else has taken a back seat now, so I will answer it once I watch it, if I get the time to.
Bollywood में से आपको सबसे stylish कौन लगता है? One actor, one actress?
मुझे इसका जवाब नहीं पता है मैं फॉलो नहीं करती हूँ। हाँ, Holi, yes. Don't trouble people. I know these hooligans on the streets. Sometimes they throw eggs and they throw tomatoes and they throw all kinds of things. Please don't do that. Play with water. Try and save as much water as you can, but you can have a little bit of fun. Play with colors. Play with dry colors and have loads of fun. Thank you, guys. Thank you.
Thanks, guys.
Very excited.
So who do you find fashionable in Bollywood? One actor? And why?
I think Ranveer Singh, also because he's just my personal favorite as an actor, and then when that is coupled with the fact that he has a very edgy way of dressing, it's eye-catching, it's different, and it's stylish. I love Ranveer Singh.
Anything else you would like to share with the viewers and watching?
I've been nominated also this year, and it's odd because it's not a music category, but it's wonderful. It feels nice because I think somewhere I must have worked on my styling over the last 3 years, and I'm just excited to be here amongst all the nominees. Thank you.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. May I request you to take a little forward as there are a few minutes
Yes, Nuba. Hello, sir. So let me tell you, you're looking beautiful.
Thank you.
So whom you wearing tonight?
I am. Oh shit! I've actually forgot. I have not even checked who I'm wearing tonight. But it looked nice and fancy. So yeah, I have to check with my stylist about the credits.
What style? If you get an opportunity to choose one out of two, one would be fashionable, second would be stylish. What would you personally prefer?
Well, if I really had a choice, I would choose to be comfortable. So I think that you can only be genuinely stylish and fashionable if you're feeling comfortable, which is more than I can say for myself right now. But I think that if you're comfortable and happy, then you will seem stylish and fashionable in whatever you wear. Well, listen, I don't care. They're both amazing. They don't need our help, okay? They're both, whether it's Batman or Superman, I think they'll manage between themselves. I have a release myself in about 3 weeks' time, so that's the one I'm rooting for. I am very excited about my film Nil Bate Sannata, which is coming out. So, I don't care about Batman and Superman. मैं अपने Nil Bate Sannata के बारे में worried हूँ.
बट बॉलीवुड की बात करें तो आपको सबसे ज़्यादा स्टाइलिश एक्टर और एक्ट्रेस में से कौन है आपकी पर्सनल फेवरेट?
Well, I think that I really like my friend Sonam Kapoor. I think she is amazing because whatever she wears, she looks comfortable and happy, and which is why she's always quite stylish. And I look forward to what Ranveer Singh will wear because it's always interesting. Happy Holi everyone, and मज़े करो, खूब सारा भांग पियो, खूब सारी मिठाई खाओ और रंग उड़ाओ, and don't eat the color.
Done? Right? आज की शाम HT किसका क्या संदेश देना चाहूँगा कि यार स्टाइल बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है. मैं अभी तक इस पर ज़्यादा तवज्जो नहीं रखता था, लेकिन आई एम सो ग्लैड दैट दे हैव कॉल्ड मी एंड बी स्टाइलिश. एनीथिंग एल्स? आप हाँ यही What is what? Oh, just we didn't talk about the match that much, but then yes, it's always it can't get bigger than India-Pakistan match and then India winning at the end, and that's what we want, you know. Oh, he loved it. He smiled, so that's a good thing. Yeah. It's actually dicey right now. Let me think. I'll get back to you. I play very ganda Holi. I mean, it's like very dirty Holi that I play. So I'm scouting right now. I'm thinking that where should I go where like everybody is thinking the same thing and is willing to play Holi in the manner that I want to play. Like everything. If acting doesn't happen next year, I'll play in IPL. Sorry. मैं? Please. Ranveer.
आज शाम के बाद में HT के स्टाइल अवार्ड्स हैं, so it's it's always good. They facilitate everybody who's stylish, so which is great. Here tonight, let's see what tonight's got to be all about.
But talk about Bollywood, who's most stylish according to you?
I think as of now, the guy who's most stylish, जो सबसे ज़्यादा stylish है, that's Ranveer Singh. मतलब he is totally going crazy with his individuality. So it's definitely got to be Ranveer Singh.
And actress?
Actress, ironically, it's Deepika Padukone. I think she's absolutely stunning. There's something so mesmerizing about her. It's not the way she dresses, just the way she holds herself is absolutely beautiful. Usually तो होली खेलते ही हैं, but unfortunately last 2 साल से India is going through a major drought. So in the last 2 years I haven't played Holi, so that's my message to everybody. Save water, don't waste water. I know Holi is a really fun festival, but you got to think about the country first. Thank you.
No. Sir, excited for the evening tonight. Stylish, most stylish award function that you're going to have.
हाँ, मैं बहुत करेक्ट हूँ इसके लिए। मेरी तरफ से बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं सभी को।
Stylish award में है तो देश के युवाओं को क्या करना है?
मैंने जिस तरह के कपड़े पहने, मैं किसी भी तरह की टिप्पणी इस पर कर नहीं सकता। मेरी तरफ से बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं। मे गॉड ब्लेस एवरीबॉडी।
लेकिन आपका एक और बात है कि बॉलीवुड में आप किसे स्टाइलिश
Hi everyone, how are you guys doing? Oh, you look nice yourself. I'm wearing Kiran Gupta.
So excited for the evening?
Of course. I've been here the last 3 years I've lived in India. I've been to this event, so very happy.
बॉलीवुड एक्टर और बॉलीवुड एक्ट्रेस
क्या क्या क्या?
एक बॉलीवुड एक्टर और एक्ट्रेस जो आपको ज़्यादा स्टाइलिश लगते हो फैशनेबल लगते हो कौन से
Guy or girl? Ranveer Singh is killing it for me. Like, he is the epitome of having fun, being stylish, being sexy, and doing his own thing, and I love it.
And actress?
Actress, she's not here right now, but Priyanka Chopra. Yeah, she kills it every time.
So what are your Holi plans today?
I have never actually played Holi other than being on a set. So this is the first time that I'm going to go full out, and you'll see pictures of me probably with all the colors everywhere, having a blast with my friends. That'll be fun.
So even your fans have been eagerly waiting for you to know that what are you doing next? Can you just tell us something that what are you doing?
I have Umbra Sardiya, my Punjabi film is coming out this Friday. I hope you guys go see it. My first time speaking Punjabi. Very changi gal hai. It's a great film, so I think you guys will really love it. Cool. Thanks, guys.
Sir, as handsome as always, sir. Excited for the evening tonight.
I'm very tired right now, yeah, but very excited because it's nice to come and attend all the HT Style Awards. Is the 7th edition? 6th edition. 5th edition, yeah. So they've been doing it, and though I'm not very stylish, but it's nice to come and see beautiful and stylish people.
Sir, how was Dubai? There were so many pictures that came out from Dubai, sir. So how was that?
Very hectic, yeah. I had a lot of work. I had to do the rehearsal, then I had to perform, and then I had some interviews to do. So very hectic. I just got back. Yeah, much fun. सभी हैं यार, ऑल मुझको तो मुझसे ज़्यादा लगते हैं, तो मैं अगर मुझे पूछा जाएगा तो मुझे लगता है सभी मुझसे ज़्यादा हैं, तो आई थिंक ऑल ऑफ देम हैं. You should see me when I wake up in the morning. It takes a long time. Batman. He's the Prince of Darkness. And very real, very honest. I've grown up. I've seen all. I've read all the comics, but Batman is my all-time favorite. Really good. किसको? हाँ, स्टाइल वाइज मैं ये बताना चाहता हूँ कि यार वही पहनना जिसमें तुम कंफर्टेबल फील करते हो. किसी को कॉपी नहीं करना, फैशन फॉलो नहीं करना, फैड फॉलो नहीं करना. Wear your attitude, wear a good perfume, and wear the clothes that suit you. Don't try to be stylish any other way. ऐसा मुझे शोले का डायलॉग याद है. होली कब है? कब है होली, कब है क्या? हम तो शूटिंग कर रहे होंगे, मैं तो शूटिंग कर रहा हूँ, तो सेट पे करूँगा, रईस के सेट पे होली करूँगा यार. बट यार अमित जी की पार्टी होगी तो मजा आएगा.
It's a delight to have Shah Rukh Khan in the movie set, Anand Rai sir. Anything you would like to comment on that, sir?
It will be very nice yeah, when I start working with him. I think he's a fantastic director. So inshallah, when we start a film, it'll be good fun. Thank you. Yeah. मुझे has Imtiaz told you this? तो मुझे नहीं बताया अभी इसमें. But so I still have to work on it. Yeah. चलो. बाद में आराम से की जगह मिलेंगे तो फैन की प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में मिलकर सब समझाता हूँ आराम से.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
What do you want me to say? Hi.
As beautiful as always, no doubt in that. Hope you're wearing tonight.
Thank you. I'm wearing a designer from Portugal actually. सबसे trendy actress I would say is Deepika, and actor I would say is Hrithik.
Everyday tabloid में या फिर broadsheet में बहुत खबरें छपती रहती हैं. Can you say something on that?
On your right. Extreme right. On your left, little more left. All the cameras here. Yeah, thank you.
Sonam, a quick fight, Sonam. Whoever walked the carpet said only one thing. Sonam Kapoor is the most fashionable and stylish actress in Bollywood, and actress and music. How do you take it as?
I don't. It's a compliment. A compliment's always good.
Is there shoulder on there's pressure on the shoulder saying that कि हाँ अभी इतने expectations है आपके fans आपको देखते हैं.
मैं कपड़े पहनती हूँ अपने लिए, लोगों के लिए नहीं. मुझे लगता है कि अगर आप कॉन्फिडेंट हो, कपड़े ऑटोमेटिकली खूबसूरत लग जाते हैं. My favorite superhero, Nirja Banot. See you. Usually I celebrate Holi, but this year unfortunately I'm shooting and working. Not shooting, but I'm working. I don't know, am I getting an award? Do you think I should get an award for being stylish? जी कुछ नहीं कर रही हूँ मैं, टाइम पास आजकल.
Thank you.
Yes, I'm very excited. Yeah, I'm very excited यार. और क्या कह सकती हूँ मैं? हर फैशन अवार्ड में यही क्वेश्चन. बॉलीवुड में सबसे स्टाइलिश कौन है आपको? मुझे लगता है कि बॉलीवुड में सबसे स्टाइलिश विल बी कंगना, एक्टर मिस्टर बच्चन. सॉरी, कैसे क्या? युवाओं को क्या संदेश? ओह, कि अच्छा काम करो बस.
हाँ हाँ हाँ. Should we call, sir? चलो अंदर काम करो. हाँ हाँ हाँ. आज की शाम के बारे में काफ़ी एक्साइटेड है. ये वीकेंड काफ़ी अच्छा रहा है सो फार एंड होपफुली आज की रात भी अच्छी होगी. पूरा वीकेंड बहुत बढ़िया होने वाला है. लॉट ऑफ स्टाइल, लॉट ऑफ फैशन. बहुत स्टाइलिश एक्टर एंड एक्ट्रेस. आई थिंक ओल्डन डेज में आइकॉनिक जग्गू दादा जिनका काम कर चुका हूँ. जैकी श्रॉफ जी, मिस्टर अमिताभ बच्चन जी. रिसेंटली आई थिंक ऋतिक रोशन एंड सैफ अली खान सर. वेरी वेरी स्टाइलिश. हेलो सर, हाउ आर यू सर?
Sir, people are so happy to see you again.
Thank you, thank you.
So excited for the evening, sir. You have a different style altogether, sir. So excited for the evening today.
बहुत स्टाइल है.
आपका एक अलग ही स्टाइल है,
I just do what my heart tells me to do. अभी जेल के अंदर एक मेरे बाल काटते थे, उनका नाम मिश्रा जी है. मिश्रा जी, तो उन्होंने मुझे ये स्टाइल दिया. दत्त साहब के साथ हम लोग होली खेलते थे विद माई फैमिली. और अभी 3 साल के बाद मैं अपनी फैमिली के साथ होली खेलूँगा. और आप सबको भी होली मुबारक हो. When we guys were growing up, it was Superman because of all the stuff he used to do with his eyes, and he used to blow that wind and everything used to freeze and stuff. So looking forward to that.
Sir, Munna Bhai series का breaking news, sir. People are so waiting for Munna Bhai series, sir. So are you up for it? Are you ready for that?
Yeah, sure, yeah, absolutely. Munna Bhai is going to happen.
He's making Ranveer Singh the most stylish.
क्या बात है, क्या बात है. Thank you to everybody who said that. Thank you. यार, it feels very nice. It feels very good. कुछ तो अच्छा बोल रहे हैं लोग और कुछ अच्छा बोल रहे हैं तो अच्छा ही लगेगा. हाँ जी, सिर्फ बेफिक्र है. इस वक्त मिड अप्रैल में हमारी फिल्म की शूट शुरू होगी. अप्रैल में हम पेरिस जा रहे हैं 4 महीने के लिए. स्टार्ट टू फिनिश पिक्चर ख़त्म करके आ जाएंगे. या Anil Kapoor. I'm rooting for AK Man. Jai Singh Rathore in 24, right there, looking like $1 million.
How was Dubai?
Dubai was fantastic. The performance went off very well. Mr. Bachchan was very, very happy with it. And I won Best Actor in a Leading Role. That feels wonderful. Shah Rukh Khan was on stage at the time to present me with the award. Mr. Bhansali was there sitting with me, so it was a really, really special night. मेरी जगह उनकी पैरों में है, उनके चरणों में है. I don't celebrate Holi. I have cleanliness वाला OCD, no? So I don't celebrate Holi. Style icon. Just be yourself. Be a good person, a kind person. Spread love, spread joy, spread happiness. Express yourself. Don't filter whatever you're feeling, and you should be good.
Give us 3 tips that will make anyone swoon when it comes to style.
Hanji?
3 tips that will make anyone swoon when it comes to style.
Mr. Shah Rukh Khan taught me. Now I spent a lot of time with him when I was in Dubai. Taught me you must, as a man, you should always smell good. So I think that's a very good tip. Men should always smell good. तूने मारी एंट्री तो दिल में बजी घंटी. Many times. There is one fashion faux pas that I remember very clearly. I had gone for Anupama Chopra ji's chat show, and there was a particular suit that I was wearing, and Mr. Bachchan was also on that chat show, and I went up to him and I was like, "Sir, you like my suit? How am I looking?" He's like, "My son, you look like a plant." So I think that was a faux pas, and I'm not deluded about my fashion mistakes. I know when I've gone wrong, but अब जो मन में आता है वो पहन लेना चाहिए. Whatever I feel like on the day, जैसा mood है, I just dress up like that. In a lungi, I've worn a lungi. Yeah, I've worn lungi. चलो, thank you very much.
Yeah, Ranveer, these
Hi. स्टाइलिश आई थिंक सब लोग अपने हिसाब से स्टाइलिश है, लेकिन माई फेवरेट्स वुड डेफिनेटली बी रणवीर सिंह, Sonam Kapoor, because they make their clothes their own. They don't follow trends. They own whatever they wear. So definitely both of them. बहुत जल्द I think second film सबसे important होता है, तो you have to have patience and reading scripts. So as soon as I sign, you will come to know. Holi, I don't know, but मैं होली खेलती हूँ and I love Holi. Lots of fun. बचपन से खेलती आई हूँ. So definitely कुछ तो मज़ा होगा. Thank you. Hello. My favorite superhero would definitely be Batman. I don't know. I just love him. Batman. Hrithik Roshan. Thank you. Come.
Bye, Beats.
Katrina looking beautiful as always, no doubt in that.
Thank you.
How's your evening today?
A wonderful evening. It was so nice to see so many wonderful people and interact with everybody, and to see Dharamji after so long. Last time I think I saw him when we did Apne together, and yes, it was a lovely time.
Bollywood
Among all the co-actors that you've worked with, who would you say is the most stylish?
a male one and a female.
Yeah, male one.
Shah Rukh Khan.
And female.
A female who I've worked with. Sushmita Sen.
Katrina, we also met Ranveer recently. He said that Jaga Jasus look would be out, next month. How excited are you to be back with Ranveer again on screen? He's seen as one of the most talented actors in the industry.
Jaga Jasus has been on the floor for some time now, and I think Anurag Basu is, according to me, one of the most exciting directors we have in the film industry. So I am super excited for Jaga Jasus, and hopefully it will be ready soon. Thank you guys.
बहुत अच्छा शाम था. बहुत लोग बहुत अच्छे कपड़े पहन के आए थे. सब लोगों ने अवार्ड जीता, जैसे हर अवार्ड शो पे होता है. मैंने भी एक जीता. आई वन रीडर्स चॉइस, और स्पेशल इसलिए क्योंकि रीडर्स ने वोट किया है, तो इसलिए काफ़ी स्पेशल है. सबसे स्टाइलिश मेल मैं हमेशा कहता हूँ, मुझे लगता है कि सैफ अली खान बहुत अच्छे कपड़े पहनते हैं और बहुत अच्छे दिखते हैं. फीमेल मेरे हिसाब से अभी तो बहुत है. सोनम कपूर है, अथिया शेट्टी है, आलिया भट्ट है, कटरीना कैफ है, सब अच्छे लगते हैं. हाँ, नहीं, हम लोग ने साथ में डिस्को दीवाने नहीं किया आज, बट हाँ, सब लोग साथ में मिले तो बहुत अच्छी बात है. नो, आई एम नॉट. आई एम नर्वस नाउ. डिशुम निकलेगी तो फिर उसके बाद जो आएगा, देन जुड़वा 2 जब आएगी तो ऑब्वियसली नर्वसनेस होगा. I think obviously it is nervous when you step into such a big film, but it's not. We are carrying on that film or that legacy in that sense. मेरा नहीं, किसी और का. We are carrying on that award or that legacy, so I'm not that nervous because they're not getting into that role exactly.
Batman versus Superman is coming.
I'm not nervous about that.
Done, thank you.
I'm not in that film.
Ma'am, please, bye. नीचे बैठो सर. नीचे बैठो सर. गेट
डाउन करने के लिए
अरे हटो यार मिस्टर बच्चन पीछे अरे सर आगे से हटो, आगे क्या कर रहे हैं? कौन है खड़ा है? अरे ये